This is Kavitha Edusphere, knowing our numbers, 6th class maths NCERT solutions. Fill in the blanks. 1 lakh is equal to 10 thousands. 1 million equal to 100,000. 1 crore equals to 10 lakh. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 1 million equals to 10 lakh. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. 73,75,307. 73 after put comma, 75 after put comma, 307. So we read it 73,75,307. 9 crore, 5 lakh, 41. 9 put comma, 9 is in crores place. Here only given 5 lakh. So in the place of 10 lakhs, 0 write. 5 is in lakhs place. Thousands not given, 10,000s also not given. Instead of 10,000s and thousands, we have written 2 zeros in the place of 10,000s and thousands. Next, in hundreds place also 0 written. 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 7 crores 52 lakh 21,302. 58 million 423,201. It is in international system. Fourth problem is in international system. 58 million 423,202. Fifth one, 23 lakh 30,000 10. 23 lakh 30,000 10. Insert commas suitable and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. It is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 80 crore, 75 lakh, 95,772, not 72, 62. 2 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands, 9 is in 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So 8 crores, 75 lakhs, 95,762. Second problem, 85 comma 46 comma 283. 85 lakh 46,283. 3 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, 6 is in thousands place, 4 is in 10,000s place, 5 is in lakhs place, 8 is in 10 lakhs place. So we read it 85 lakhs 46,283. Third one, 9 comma 99 comma 20046. We read it 6 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, 0 is in thousands place, again 0 is in 10,000s place, 9 is in lakh place, 9 is in 10 lakhs place, 9 is in crores place. So we read it 9 crores 99,046. Next one, in this number 8 digits are given. 1 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place, 3 is in 10,000s place, 4 is in lakhs place, 8 is in 10 lakhs place, 9 is in crores place. So we read it 9 crores 84 lakh 32,701. Insert the commas suitable and write the names according to International System of Numeration. This number has a number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total digits are in this number 8. 2 is in ones place, 9 is in hundreds place. Sorry, 2 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place. Hundreds place before put comma. 1 is in thousands place, 2 is in 10,000s place, 9 is in 100,000s place, put comma. 8 is in millions, 7 is in 10 millions. So we read it 78 millions 921,092. 78 millions 921,092. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టమ్ లో మనము ఎవ్రీ 3 digits కి కామా పెట్టాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number made by 7 digits. We read it 7,452,283. Next 99,985,102. 48,049,831.